Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix issue on form. So this is our reCAPTCHA. Now you see error for site owner, invalid domain for site key. So our form submission not done in WordPress. So we are going to fix it. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our form and this is our reCAPTCHA. Now you see invalid domain for site key. So we are going to regenerate or recreate site key and secret key for this reCAPTCHA form. So you can open this link, google.com reCAPTCHA admin create, and then you see label. So you can add domain name. Now paste, and then you see reCAPTCHA type, score paste v3 version 3 or challenge. So we select this, and then you see add domain. So add domain name again. So if you want, you can use challenge version 2 or 3. So it's up to you. So when we select challenge version 2, now you see I am not report checkbox invisible. So we select this and then click on submit. So this is our copy site key, secret key. So we are going to add both key in plugin we are using in our WordPress website. So now we added a site key, secret key, and then click on save setting. Now you see setting save. Now go to page and refresh the page. Now you see our reCAPTCHA is working now. I am not report. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.